This car hasn't started in 15 years. Let's try to get it started. Our grandfather's 71 Chevy Chevelle with the crate 350 small block. Just did the ignition coil. So obviously you can see the mice kind of got a little hungry there. Got a little hungry there. So now we just hooked up this back up to that because the mouse, the mice got it. So now we're gonna retest the spark. All right, ready? Keep going. Oh, it's so faint. All right, now we have all the spark plug wires hooked up. Make sure it's not touching the belt. Into their spots. Everything is September right now. So be sure to check back for part 2.